Hello traders, today is the 17th of March 2020 and I would like to share with you today's best Forex Trade analysis and the result. Before that, I would like to share with you my trading activities. Today was amazing trading day, amazing volatility. I've managed to squeeze 553 pips today, and this is the breakdown of all of my trades. And I want you to pay a little bit attention. I'm going to explain to you how I open this trade, why I open this trade, and how all of my other traders take the benefit of all this live trading experience. Okay, so as you can see, I had a few losing trades today as well, but I tried to manage my losses quickly and let the winning runs. Okay, so my best trade was 63 pips. Okay, that's the pound yen. Let me share with my trade with you. Uh, as you can see, this was my opening price and this is my closing price, right? And this was analysis based on the 100% based on the analysis. And I'm going to explain to you how I opened it and why I opened it. As you can see, this is the breakout trade and why I opened. I'm going to explain you that trade. Let's see, because I mentioned you, I always look at in 4 hour. At that time, the trade was at, let me make it bigger so at least you will understand what I'm talking. At that time, the price was at this level here. And I explained to my trader, if the price gonna break this wedge, then possibility we should be taking a short trade. And my target would be this Bollinger Band or this support level. That's what I mentioned. This is 4 hour chart, guys. You can see the 4 hour. So when I explain, then opportunities raised. Let me show you the analysis of this one. Then I draw this analysis. I said to guys, if the price is going to break that support, then probably we're going to have a nice rally because if the previous price action explained that this is the false breakout, you can see normally, as I mentioned, we're looking up after the breakout pullback. Price did not develop a pullback. And when the price broke on this one and develop a pullback, and I explained to my traders, the safest trade would be to look for the breakout of this flag pattern. And I also explained in a 4 hour, and then I also took that trade, and I also explained all these pullbacks through the live audio commentary, and that's what I managed 63 pips, and most of my traders have taken that trade and banked such a good pips. So I'm just going to show you a couple of my trades. If I'm going to explain each trade, then it's going to take a lot of time. Okay, then I had another interesting pair, which is basically if you just focus one or two pairs in more details and then you trade in a shorter time frame entry and exit system, that you can manage the good pips. Look, you can see pound dollar long trade minus 14. Okay, so if I click on this one, this was the trade which I explained to my trader that the price has broken the recent high, and if the price gonna respect that, you know become support now, so then we should be looking at counter long trade, and then target would be this level, which I personally took. What happened after that, the price developed another interesting pattern, which is normally we call head and shoulder pattern. You can see head and these two are shoulder. I say, guys, that give a sign that the price gonna reverse, so we should be, I'm closing my trade, and instead of buying, I'll be looking for short trade. And I did another analysis instantly, and I opened position. So let me show you. So then I minus 14, then I open a two trades, as you can see it. I always open two position on the towards the trend and towards the momentum. Most of time, it depends on the opportunity, how solid that opportunity, high probability trades. So this is the trade. As you can see, I close 14 and I open another one, explain to my trader. the reason behind it, and I bank some profit here, and I let the other trade run, which later I close my trade because you can see the due to the market volatility. As soon as I see the green candle, I say, guys, possibility prime might going to reverse, so I close my trade. So I recover my loss, and I also made extra pips. Then what happened after that? I took another three long position. Okay, and because let me show you that analysis first, the short analysis, so then you will understand what I'm talking about. This is the analysis. Can you see it? Then I did analysis head and shoulder pattern. I did analysis instantly, and I said, look, guys, look for the breakout. And I personally took that trade too, And I said, if anybody missed that, can join it here. And I banked some profit. As soon as I bank profit, I also explained to my trader, as you can see in the screenshot, this is what exactly happening in a real time live. So I had to manage to 34 pips and 28 pips. Then I open a 3 long position on Cape Pound. Why? Okay, let me explain you. Let's talk about the 4 hour. That's what I was keeping eye, 4 hour. And if you look at the 4 hour, you can see as soon as the price was hitting to the 120,000 support area, and also the Bollinger Band, and also it's look more or less, you can see it here, the price respected. You can see here a support trend line. I said, guys, possibility of reversal here, the counter trade opportunity. That's what I explained in 4 hour. Okay, then I did analysis instantly as soon as the price developed. Can you see this one? As the price developed 3 touch at the support level, so 1, 2, 3. I said to my traders, guys, I think I'm going to be taking a little bit trick risk because I've already banked good pips. So counter long trade opportunity. So keep an eye the bigger picture in 4 hour and jump into the intraday system and refine the entries, which I did, which I explained to all of my traders, this breakout opportunity. You can see the timing. And then as soon as the price progressed, I closed one position. Here is a 20 pips, right? As you can see, this as soon as a counter trade, I said, guys, the price reached to this previous level. So I banked some profit. I let the other trade run, and then I close another one. 35 pips, as you can see here. As soon as the price hit to this one, I said, guys, possibility of reversal, because this is counter trade. So I said, I'm going to close my 2 trades and let the other one run, which is hit the final game is 39 pips. As soon as I see the price reverse, I close my trade. So this is what exactly I do every single day, that before I look at the bigger picture, and then you can see, then once I've closed my trades, I also tell my trader instantly, it's time to consider banking some pips. So every single trade, like I was expecting probably might gonna see another good counter trade long opportunity on Euro USD, but what happened, as soon as the price reversed, I closed my trade. So guys, so all these trades are 100% based on the live intraday analysis, which broadcasted the analysis section. So you can see so far we had a 32 analysis. That's intraday, because we keep an eye the price moves. As soon as the price develop a pattern, we look at in 4 hour, we says jump. Like we had such a beautiful long on euro yen, and the reason why I explained to my trader, and I personally did not take it because I already had a couple of positions open. I said to guys, look for here, if we see the price going to reverse, and then we look at the shorter time frame and tell my traders to look for the breakout trade, which is I explain all of this thing in a real time. You can see the euro yen. Yeah. So all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which broadcast is. So I personally manage 553 pips. All these trades are broadcast instantly in a real time, and also provide all these updates in real time through live audio commentary. So you can see I had it another fantastic day today, 553 pips, because as you know, the market condition nowadays, we can see big volatility. So once in a moon we get these type of opportunities. When you get market give you these type of opportunities, take the maximum benefit, because I never had these type of opportunities in my life. This is the first time, and you know that the market condition. So when the market is giving you, take the maximum benefit. All right, guys, so let's back to the analysis. So just to recap, these are the intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. On the left hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on the analysis. I'm going to be doing quickly because I've too many analysis today. Right, so this was pretty straightforward. As you can see, breakout long trade, price nicely hit to the first target on dollar Swiss franc. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see consolidation breakout, short trade, nicely hit first target. Pound yen, pretty straightforward, breakout consolidation long trade. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward. As you can see, the price nicely broken based on this analysis, and we announced another pullback long trade. Just to let you know, this orange fib channel is also help as a support and resistance. This we also use for the first target, and this you can see the first target hit and to the final target almost hit. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward, consolidation breakout long trade. Pound Swiss franc, again we banked some profit in the previous trade, and then we announced another pattern. As you can see, that's what I explained to you guys. We keep an eye, monitor all the price pattern in a real time. As soon as the price develops certain pattern, we broadcast instantly in real time. As you can see, we had another beautiful breakout long trade on pound Swiss franc. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. You can see this was again as a breakout long trade. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward based on the analysis. We had another breakout long trade. And Euro USD, this was my best trade as well because made a 42 pips, more than 42 pips. This was the channel breakout, and we announced the rest of the trades through as the price progressed. Beautiful short trades on Euro USD. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. Again, this was the consolidation breakout short trade. Dollar CAD, that was amazing trade. I managed very good pips on dollar CAD. As you can see, this is again beautiful price nicely develop a consolidation based on that triangle pattern breakout. And we announced another one pullback long trade. And we also basically did analysis in 4 hour. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. This one again is a breakout short trade. As you can see, after the breakout, price nicely developed another pullback. And then we announced another one through live audio commentary trade. Beautiful pullback, breakout, and pullback short trade on Euro yen. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. This was the flag pattern as you have seen it that I've managed amazing pips on pound yen short trade and the pullback short trades after the breakout. Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward, triangle pattern breakout, beautiful short trade. Kiwi dollar, I also managed to bank few pips on Kiwi dollar, beautiful pullback short trade as mentioned on the analysis. Euro yen, pretty straightforward, triangle pattern breakout, only small trade because as soon as the price hit to the resistance, we mentioned this is the counter trade. So if we see any sign of rejections, get out. We managed to get out at the break even. But anyhow, this is another analysis. Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward, counter long trade, price nicely hit to the first target. And Euro USD, this was again as a counter. As mentioned, if the price going to break the previous high, then we should be looking at counter. Only manage few pips, but it was a good counter trade on Euro USD. Euro pound, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. This the breakout we're looking. As you can see, we had a beautiful breakout long trade on Euro pound. Pound yen, pretty straightforward consolidation breakout. You can see, and we announced the price came back to the zone and said, guys, look for another breakout. If the price is going to break this one, we should be looking as soon as the price broken this wedge. We announced through live audio commentary short trade, and we announced another one is pullback short, which is you can see it beautiful. If you look at here, the price nicely respected here, And we announced through live ID commentary another pullback short trade. Price nicely hit to the final target. Beautiful short trade. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the consolidation breakout. And then another pullback short trade on pound dollar. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. Consolidation breakout, beautiful short trade. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. This was a good trade because I bank good pips and say, guys, look, the price has broken. Let's see if we can get another pullback here. Based on the price action, we had it another beautiful. And as soon as the price hit to the first target, we mentioned to guys to bank some profit. As soon as the price reversed, we basically managed to get out a beautiful two long and short, long and basically two long trades on pound dollar and Kiwi dollar. That's what exactly we look at in a hard time frame. We trade towards the price action. Beautiful short long trades on Kiwi dollar. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis, guys. The price has reversed and 4 hour and say, guys, if the price gonna break this flag pattern, then we should be looking trades towards what happened after that price broken. And that's why this price momentum chart is very helpful to refine the entries and find the high probability entries. As you can see, beautiful. As soon as we see the green candle at the support level, I think it's time to get out. So beautiful short trade on pound dollar. Euro USD, pretty straightforward pullback short trade. Pound yen, pretty straightforward as you can see, beautiful breakout, long trade. And then we announce another one pullback, beautiful long trade on pound yen. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward, and this was my the last trade. As you can see, beautiful breakout, and after that we had a beautiful pullback short trade on pound dollar. Dollar Swiss franc, this is up channel breakout, long trade. And dollar CAD, this one again is a triangle pattern breakout, long trade. As you can see, the price nicely broken and develop another pullback. You can see pretty straightforward. It's obvious, nice pullback. That's why this momentum chart help us to refine the entries. Beautiful to one breakout and one pullback long trade on dollar CAD. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward. This one again, triangle pattern breakout, and we also announced another one pullback long trade. As soon as the price hit to this resistance level, we mentioned it's time to consider tightening your stop loss or move stop loss at the break in, or we announced through live ID commentary to bank some profit on dollar yen. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. As you can see, consolidation. We look at in the 4 hour. We mentioned to guys look for this consolidation breakout. We have broken, and we announced another one pullback through live audio commentary. As long as the momentum is bullish, most of the pullback is a high probability trade. Beautiful long trade on pound Swiss franc. Kiwi dollar, we bank some profit, and after that we wait a second, another triangle pattern is performed. As you can see, the price nicely broken and retest two more time. That's we announced through live ID commentary. Three beautiful short trades on Kiwi dollar. Pound dollar, as you can see, this was the counter long trade. As I explained to you in 4 hour, we were looking, price nicely respected 120,000 area, and we need a valid technical entry, and that's what explained that if the price can break this small consolidation, price developed three touch as you can see it, and the price broke on this consolidation, announced a counter long trade, and I personally bank good pips because I open a three position. I always look at my risk and reward ratio, only very tight stop loss. I said, okay, I can open three position. I can open, I can close half of it and then let the other run. And that's what we did and managed beautiful pips on my last counter trade on long on pound dollar. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you have enjoyed all this analysis. I want you to think and imagine if you receive all these analyses in real time, live, with the live audio commentary support. You have the option, you can talk to me directly through audio if you want, or through the chat message. You can, ask any review about any analysis, and you will get the feedback instantly in the real time. So just imagine if you have all that sort of support available in a live trading floor, then what would be your trading result? So as you have seen it, I've managed 553 pips today. I'm pretty sure you can have same sort of result. So if you want to watch live intraday analysis in real time, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community at ashrafnoor.com. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest analysis. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time with more analysis.